Hello my darlings. Okay, so today I've got a slightly different video. I'm actually super chill. I feel super chill. No lashes on today. That's how you know I'm in like ultra chill mode. Today's video is going to be a try on haul, which is so exciting. I haven't done a try on haul in so freaking long. And the bits I've picked for this haul, chef's kiss. If I do say so myself, the pieces are banging. I'm so excited to do it because I loved how everything looked. This video is sponsored by Nasty Gal. Some of the pieces in today's video were gifted as part of this collaboration, but most of them I purchased with my own money. I'm excited. It's like a transitional haul. So some of it is like perfect for autumn winter. Some of it's good for those days where it's still quite warm, but not like summer warm. This is in no particular order. I'm thinking, should I do like the ultra nice stuff first, or should I just pick and go? Right, let me just pick and go. Let me pick and go. Let me start with no, let me pick and go. Let me start with a piece that I wear with quite a few of the items. These are these splits leggings. Obsessed with these. These are so flattering, and it's that kind of crepe material. Sits on the body so well, and it's made that it kind of sit high-waisted fashion. So I love this because I can wear it with crop tops, I can wear it with bodysuits, I can wear it with like jumpers, hoodies, whatever. I'm just absolutely obsessed with this. I love this. I got this in a UK 8 and it fits me perfectly. So some of the things that I paired it with for this haul are, I'll leave everything linked along with sizes, but just a black bodysuit. I love the look of like the black bodysuit with the leggings. I just think it's so clean and so slick, and it's one of those looks that you can build several looks around it. So it's like a really nice base. So if you have the leggings, the bodysuit, you can put a jumper over top, a jacket, you can put a hoodie on, you can just put a jacket on, you can just wear it like that. You can wear it with trainers, you can wear it with boots, you can wear it with high heels. It's one of those ones that you can remix quite a lot of the times. A crossbody bag, like a little handbag if you're going out to dinner. Turtleneck in the front, so it gives me autumn winter in the front, but then in the back it gives me like transitional summer. It's an open back tie up at the back, and a size UK 6, thick ribbon material, so you know it's super flattering, and one that you can tuck in or you can leave it hanging out. I love pieces that have a slightly sexy aspect. So of course the front is very conservative and very like, you know, high neck, but then the back gives that exposed back. I love backs. I love backs. So anything that exposes my back, I'm like, yes. Yeah, I love this. This is cute. I really like that actually. So that's the leggings and the two tops that I paired it with. I also got these joggers, which I'm wearing right now. These joggers right here, they are monogram printed with Nasty Gal. I love these. Again, they come high-waisted, which super flattering. I turn most things high-waisted anyway because obsession. These are so comfortable. I rolled up the bottoms just so you can see I wear anklets, so I always like to have them on show. So I cuff them a little bit, but you can leave them uncuffed. They are so comfortable. I have been living in these, and of course I've paired it with the white top. So this white top I actually have in 2 sizes. So I have it in a 8. This is the 8 I'm wearing now, and I also have it in a 6. So this is a fan favorite. The 6 I got last year or the year before. The 8 I bought as well. So I bought both of them with my own money, but I love this top. The cuts, it's got like that sexy cut that you're like, yeah. If it was more of like a chillier day and I wanted to cover up a bit, this is actually a top. But what I really love about this top is the sleeves. So the sleeves are like these bell sleeves, split sleeves, anything split. I'm loving the split hem vibe that's been super trendy like all of this year. And did it come into fashion? Yeah, it came into fashion last year and it's still kind of quite trendy. The split hem, I love. Love. I wouldn't usually go for the curly hem like this, but it just works really well. I got it in a UK 6, but I actually bought it to wear as more of like a cardigan. You guys can see it in the cutout. I love the way it looks as a cardigan. I think it's so cute. If I wasn't wearing it as a cardigan, I'd wear it as like a button up, but only put one button up and then kind of hang it off the shoulder. That's another really nice way I think to wear it. So the neutral tones of the joggers, the white tones of the top, and then the white tones of this top. I like that color palette, especially for autumn winter. If I'm not wearing black, I like the idea of like the neutral beigey brownie nude kind of color palette. I think that's going to be very in. It's been in, and I think it's going to continue to be in. So I got these white joggers. The white joggers I got in a 10. I sized up, but you are actually fine to just pick true to size. I wish I didn't size up, but they're very oversized, very baggy. This top right here, I posted this on my Instagram and everyone was like, oh my god, where is that from? Love, obsessed. It's a Space Jam tee. This I got in an extra large because I love the oversized vibe. They also do it in a black, but the black was sold out before I could get it. It's super comfortable, and when I wore this top with the white joggers and the white top, I just paired it with like Jordans and my Prada crossbody bag. Super simple, don't really have to think too much about it, and it just works really, really well. Again, another nice like base outfit if you wanted to then layer some pieces on top of it. Hoodies, jackets and oversized items, that is like my autumn winter wardrobe in one. That is, if I was asked to describe it, that was how I would describe it. So everything has to be like a bait or like tight clothes but then with some oversized elements in it. I like to get items that you can wear with multiple things because I just hate the idea of having there's only one way I can wear that, because that's just not a good value for money piece of item for me. So if I can wear it with multiple things, win win win. I think this is actually a dress, but it gives me jacket vibes. It's like this military dress. Again, what on my Instagram, again, everyone's like, oh my god, that is so cute, where's that from? Gold hardware, buttoned up. I didn't button it all the way up. I like to leave the buttons down and then use the belt to cinch it in, and it kind of gives like an open chest vibe. The cinch waist breaks it up a little bit, so although it's open at the top, it's like cinched on the inside and then it comes back out again, so it gives that kind of structured but unstructured vibe. I want to say I got this in a size 10. I, again, could have stayed true to size, did not have to size up, but it actually ended up working. It's got slight puff sleeves, which I think are really cute, very trendy again, because it's quite short with nice long high-waisted boots. Yes, so I got this set. Oh my god, this set is so freaking cute. I cannot cope. So I got this knitted set. I think I got the smallest size. Yeah, so I got a small. It's like a cable knit trouser. The trousers, if you're a tall girl, this is perfect for you because I'm 5'5" and the trousers are a little long on me, so I'll probably have to roll up the waistband. But this set shocked me. You know when you buy something and it's cute but you don't expect to like it as much as you love it? I love it. So it's a cable knit bottom, a flared bottom. I think that's what, anything flare or slightly flare and comfortable, yeah. And then it comes with a crew neck jumper. Why I love this jumper is, do you know what, my pet peeve is when you get a jumper and the neck is too wide. This neck is nice and comfortable. Like when the neck is too wide, I'm like, no, 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 no. So the neck is, fits really, really nicely. I think I might end up extreme cropping it myself, so it's more of like an extreme cut, because at the moment it's, when clothes are really baggy, I prefer to break it up somewhere, whether it's with flesh or if it's with a belt or something. I just like to have like break so you can see the structure in my body. Oh, I should have mentioned this earlier, but this is again another top that I bought to wear with the flare leggings. This is so sexy. It's got a ring detailing in the middle, and then it's a halter neck and it ties up at the back, as you can see in the cutout. This is sexy, super, super sexy. I got it in a UK 6, beautiful, nice material, not see-through, just perfect. Yes, 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 yes. Now the jacket. So the first one is this black jacket. So I already have this jacket in the white version. So I have the white version also from Nasty Gal, and I wear it to death. Like I wear it all the time. If there is an occasion, I'm like, yes, I'm gonna wear the white jacket. I got it in a UK 10, slightly oversized, and then I again use the belt to cinch it in. I love this. I think these jackets are one of my favorite things from Nasty Gal. This one, which is a trench coat vibe, but it's like a leather. I already have like a purple vinyl one, so I didn't really want like another vinyl trench coat vibe. I just wanted more of like a leather, long trench coat type of thing that I can wear into autumn winter and like use it to layer and all of that really good stuff. Obsessed. And you see that I have a habit of like cinching everything under the waist and having it like an open structure with cinch. Love, love, love. I believe that's everything I picked up. Nasty Gal transitional autumn winter haul, or is it a transitional into autumn? Let's just say a transitional into autumn haul. I think that makes a bit more sense. I hope you guys love the pieces. When I put it on my Instagram, people absolutely went crazy for the jackets. People loved the jacket. The Looney Tunes top, as I said, was a hit as well. So I hope you guys love some of the pieces. Let me know what you think. Are we liking the hauls? I love watching try on hauls because I love shopping. So let me know what you guys think. Do you want to see more transitional hauls? Are our styles, why do I have an issue saying are and our? Are our styles matched? Do you love it or do you love it? Let me know. A huge thank you to Nasty Gal for sponsoring today's video. I will leave all the pieces linked down below as I mentioned, and I will also leave sizes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.